It has been a whirlwind almost 24 hours for the newest Houston Texan. From the moment he heard the Texans call his name last night to his H-Town arrival today, the quarterback has been on cloud nine.
Ever since I got the call, tears have been coming out my eyes. It's just surreal to think that, I'm officially a national football player.
Tonight, the fan frenzy. Houstonians looking for ways to show they're behind the Texans' quarterback decision. It's a draft pick that seems to have galvanized the city. Texans fans just as thrilled as Deshaun Watson seems to be about his addition to the team.
We've been tracking the excitement all day for you. Our Sophia Beausoleil live now at NRG with a look at the fan frenzy. Hi, Sophia.
Hi, Dominique. Fans are so excited. This is a big deal for the Texans because, as you all know, a quarterback is very much needed. And fans told us today that not only are they happy about Deshaun, they think that he's a stand-up guy. This afternoon at the press conference, he thanked his mom, talked about how she's his rock. And it's that attitude that fans are looking forward to having here in Houston.
And players follow. This is a natural.
The Texans' bold draft move to pick Deshaun Watson as the next quarterback has Houstonians excited.
When the trade came out, I was like, holy crap, we just traded up. We're going to get Watson. This is mine, my custom, the Horns.
To say Patty Cream, also known as the Horns, is a Texans fan would be an understatement.
I have the whole team on my shoes, Alfred Blue, Brooks Reed, some of my faves.
And she knows her football and believes Watson is the right guy on and off the field.
I think he, differently than those guys, is so humble. I really liked listening to him last night. He thanked his mom and where he's come from. I think he will be cool to sit on a bench and be groomed and be mentored.
Something Watson is aware of and made note of at his first press conference as a Houston Texan.
I know it's going to be a challenge, which is what I'm up for. But also I have a lot to learn, so I'm just anxious to get here and get to work.
While he's learning the Texans game, fans are working to grab his number 4 jersey.
I'm so excited. I had to be one of the first ones to get our jerseys, yes.
My kids are here, picked them up from school early, and we got them some Watson jerseys.
A new family member, the McNair family, is welcoming home to Houston.
He's a great guy, great family. His whole family is here, and it's very exciting to meet them and just see what a great community has around him.
A community that is hopeful that Watson will be the missing puzzle piece to the Texans' success. So I know at home many of you are wondering, where do I get my jersey? Well, you can get it right here at NRG Stadium at the Texans store. They open up tomorrow at 10 a.m. These are custom jerseys, so it's going to cost you about $150. I did call Academy. Academy says they've got the order in. It's probably going to be about 2 weeks until they get those jerseys in, so stay tuned. We'll let you know where you can get all your fan memorabilia when it comes to Deshaun Watson. Reporting live from NRG Stadium, Sophia Beausoleil, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Sure is exciting, Sophia. Thanks. And it's time to reveal the results now of our Click to Vote question. We open voting for you at 4 o'clock today.
We asked today, who should the Texans start at quarterback as soon as the season opens? Should it be Watson? Should it be Savage? Or should it be Brandon Weeden? And about 38% of you say he should jump right into the barrel right off at the top. But most of you are saying, 48% are saying, probably ought to start Savage.
We'll wait and see what happens.
Watson a little bit.
Yeah.
Our coverage of Watson's arrival in Houston continues in sports. Channel 2 Sports Director Randy McElvoy spoke with him one-on-one. What he revealed about his family and his journey to becoming a professional athlete. And Watson reveals even more in our special coverage on our website. What he says about the surprise he has waiting for his mom, whose birthday is tomorrow. That and more on click2houston.com.